You're welcome back. Let's now give you updates that's coming in from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, in a majority decision, has ruled that Speaker Alban Sumana Babing's declaration of 4 parliamentary seats as vacant is unconstitutional. Now, the 5-2 decision delivered on Tuesday has reversed the decision of the Speaker, which declared as 4 seats as vacant after they filed to contest as independent candidates in the upcoming December polls. Chief Justice Gertrude Tokonu, presiding over the ruling, stated that the reasons behind the court's decision will be disclosed in full on Wednesday, November 13, 2024. Metro TV will be following through to bring you some more details on that one. Let's go on to the phone lines and speak with Member of Parliament for South Dine constituency, Nelson Roxon Defemepo, for his thoughts on the ruling and how it's probably going to affect maybe some changes in Parliament in the coming days. Honourable Member, thank you for your time. Good afternoon.
The only thing anybody has to do is to respect the Constitution. That's the mark of a civilized democratic order. It leaves no room for any argument whatsoever. And the majority decision, very big majority, clear majority, 5-2. It's not as if it was a narrow majority, 3-4 or 4-3, that anyone can say, well, there's some room for kind of review or anything at all. But the point I'm making is that whenever the court speaks, it's such a clear and emphatic order. Even if it's a very narrow majority, that's the decision of the court, and that decision must be respected. And I'm saying that it results in a degeneration of our society and a destruction of our democratic order for anybody at all to refuse to comply with orders of the Supreme Court. And I think that's non-negotiable. It's something that we must all respect. I have heard some statements by certain political actors to the effect that the case ought to be withdrawn and that there ought to be negotiation and all that. I'm quite surprised because indeed, firstly, I did not hear such expression of a willingness to negotiate and all, or maybe such instruction, because it is something that had been occurring in this country. The tendency for it to occur really was there. The tendency for it to occur again was there. It was necessary that the Supreme Court came to this clear conclusion and determination of the matter, the meaning of Article 97 Clause 1, paragraphs J and H. And I think we must all respect it. In fact, so I must express my shock at this refusal to even file a process. If indeed the Speaker of Parliament himself recognized that the matter raised serious legal issues, as he said to the media last week, where else would you address legal issues but in the court of law? Where else would you have such a definitive pronouncement on the so-called serious legal issue that the Speaker himself recognized in his press statement, done by the Supreme Court of Ghana? So as for the Speaker of Parliament, indeed, is law-abiding. I've known him for a very long time to comply with the decision of the Supreme Court. As I said, it is non-negotiable in every civilized society. When an order of the court is given, no matter how highly placed or lowly placed the court is, even if it's a magistrate court,